This video is only for educational purposes.
Hello guys, do you want to open a 1xBet account and also want to convert it to a VIP account using our VIP promo code and also want to get a 300% cashback bonus? Then you have clicked on the right video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an official 1xBet account. To create an account, you have to download 1xBet app from Google Chrome browser, then open it. Here, you will see two options. Just click on registration option, then click on one click option. Here, choose your country first, select your currency, and lastly, you have to write our official VIP promo code. It is the most important step here. If you do not use our official VIP promo code, your account won't be 100% verified and you will not get 200% cashback bonus. Write AD5X in the promo code field. Remember, do not alter the promo code. Write it exactly same as. After entering the promo code, tick all the required boxes and click on the register button. Here, you will see username and password. Don't forget to take a screenshot of this information because if you forget these details, you won't be able to log in your account again. Now click on the next button and your account successfully logged in. So now let's look at how to deposit money in 1xBet. To deposit money into your account, click on the deposit option. Choose the payment method like Binance Pay and provide your information like your first name, last name, email and click on the confirm button. Here, you will see a QR code. Then make a payment on this QR. After completing your payment, your money will be added to your account. So now you can play and win so much money.